right. Now we're going to do quadruped into a plank. We're going to do it 2 different ways today just for fun. So the first one, you're going to be on all fours, and you're going to take the circle and you're going to put it kind of at your belly, a little bit lower towards your navel, kind of just about in line with your ASIS. And then you're going to reach your arms out a little bit. Legs are going to be apart, and you're going to have your toes tucked under. Deep breath. Now as you exhale, you're going to extend the legs, but you have to put pressure down into the circle. And that way you're in one long line, and it helps if your circle falls, then you're not in one long line. And again, bend the knees. And exhale. Press down to the circle, but keep the abs up and in. Shoulder blades are wide. And lower down. And again, this is 3. Shoot it out and lower down. And again, this is 4. And lower the knees. One more time. Lift those knees, one long line, and lower down. Good. Let's take a breather here for a moment. Now we're going to take the circle and put it around our calves. So slide it through your lower legs, and you're going to shift it up, and then separate the legs into the handles and the knees, and it has to be up far enough that you can hold on to it with your toes tucked under. Deep breath, and now as you exhale, shoot out and put pressure into the circle, and then lower down. And again, exhale, shoot out, pressure into the circle, and lower down. And again, exhale, shoot it out. 3. Lower it down. And shoot it out. 4. Lower down. One more time. Shoot it out. And lower it down. 5. Good job. Rest into child's pose. All right. We are going to go into leg pull front, and it's going to be kind of exciting. So if this is too much, just don't do it and don't use the circle. We're going to have the circle in the opposite, underneath the opposite hand of the leg that we lift. So remember, we go to one long line, we lift, point, rock, point, flex, and lower, and we're going to alternate with our circle, which hand it's in as we go. Okay, so here we go. You're going to shoot to one long line and pick up your circle and put it underneath one hand, and you're going to lift the opposite leg. Lift, point, rock, point, flex, lower. Change the circle to the other side, and now lift the opposite leg. Lift, point, rock, point, flex, lower. Change to the other side, and lift, point, rock, point, flex, lower. Change to the other side, and lift, point, rock, point, flex, lower. Change to the other side. One more round if you're up for it. And lift, point, rock, point, flex, lower. Change to the other side. And lift, point, rock, point, flex, lower. And rest. Okie dokie. Moving in to leg pull. So we're going to start just doing 5 tabletops, and we're going to have the circle in between our knees. So you're going to reach your hands behind you, circle between your knees, and all you'll do is just squeeze the circle a little bit as you lift the hips. Deep breath, exhale. Lift the hips and squeeze, and then lower down. And again, exhale. Lift the hips and squeeze, and lower down. And again, this is 3. And lower down. 2 more, please. Lift the hips and squeeze. Lower down. 1 more time. Lift the hips and squeeze. Lower down. Good. Straighten the legs out. You can reach forward and take a little break. Come on up. And now we're going to do a similar thing, except for we're going to have the circle to the outside of our legs, and then we're going to extend the knees straight. So reach your legs out and apart, and the circle is on the outside of your legs. You're going to reach your hands back, point your toes, take a breath. Now exhale, lift the hips, straighten the knees, and press to the outside of the circle, and lower back down. And again, exhale, press and lift the hips, straight legs, and lower down. And again, 3. And you can do parallel or turned out, whatever you like. 4. And down. One more time. Reach out, lift the hips, open the chest. 5. Lower down. Good. Reach forward and get a nice stretch. Shall we do the seal? All right. We're going to have the circle in the hands, and when you're clapping your feet, you're going to squeeze your circle 3 times in your hands. It's going to be fun. So come to the front edge of your mat, shift back off your sits bones, and pick your legs up. You've got the balls of your feet together, and the circle is in your hands. Here we go. Clap and squeeze. 1, 2, 3. Roll back. 1, 2, 3. Come up. 1, 2, 3. Roll back. 1, 2, 3. Come up. And 1, 2, 3. Roll back. And 1, 2, 3. Come up. This is 4. Roll back. And 1, 2, 3. Come up. And 5. Roll back. 1, 2, 3. And up. And 6. Roll back. 1, 2, 3. Come up. Clap, clap, clap. Roll back. A clap, clap, clap. Come up. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Roll back. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. 2 more sets. And clap, clap, clap. Roll back. And clap, clap, clap. Come up. And squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Roll back. And squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Come up. And rest.